My name is Dr. Bwana Heri, Inch Cape Shipping, Port Captain, East Africa.
Yeah, maybe tell us how many are on board.
Total passenger on board is 334. Total crew on board is 285. Around the 222 passengers will be going on excursion. Savo, Amboseli, and city tours.
Well, how long will it be here?
It will be here for 1 day. She arrived at 0600 and departure 2000 hour. George, into this side.
Zaka? Ah, sino Mike? Jambo.
The cruise ship MV Europa at port of Mombasa today, and I'm happy through our engagement with all the authority on the ground, Inchcape Shipping, Kenya Tourist Board, county government, Kenya Ports Authority, various government stockholders and everybody. So I take this opportunity to thank especially Inchcape management for making the tour, the call very possible for all of us. Thank you very much.
My name is Wausi Walia from the Kenya Tourism. My name is Wausi Walia from the Kenya Tourism Board, and this morning we are very excited to be part of this private-public partnership together with the ground handler of MV Europa and our host and facilitator, Kenya Ports Authority. We are excited about the fact that we still are a big deal in terms of Mombasa being a port of call that attracts so many tourists, and especially because it connects tourists to their dream of the authentic safari that Kenya offers. We have today tourists who have gone to the Tsavo National Park, Amboseli National Park, and exciting also to have some of them going to Vipingo to play golf. So we look forward to more endorsements about having more ship dock here. We know that this is money that remains with the community in terms of their spend when they come in. So thank you very much.
So, Captain, maybe you say something small?
Sure, nice to come back here because this is the gateway for all the beautiful safaris that all the guests are participating in. So today we have more or less everyone heading for some of your national parks to look at the wildlife, etc. And I don't think there are that many left here in Mombasa town, as a matter of fact. But it's a beautiful town. It's always nice to be back. So thank you for the nice welcome.
Thank you. So first of all is to welcome the captain of the ship here at the port of Mombasa. We are really honored to receive you in this port of ours. Number two is to thank and appreciate the ship agent here for facilitating such a trip for the ship. As you've heard from the captain of the ship, the passengers who came on board this ship, most of them have gone for excursions because the ship will be leaving today in the evening. One of the things which I want to say is that Escape here and the county government of Mombasa and the country at large, it's a great day for this country in that we have two passenger ships that have docked at the same time. This one docked a little bit earlier, and then we have one at berth number 1, which also docked. The one at berth number 1 has got more than 800 passengers. And also this one here, the passenger with the crew is more than 800. And you can imagine handling more than 1,600 passengers at one go. So for us, it is a great day for the tourism for the country. The second thing again is that for cruise ships to come into this country, it says a lot for the country because it confirms that as a country we support tourism, the excursions that the tourists have taken. It is also as a country that is also supporting, providing security.
Beach, and we're going to Tsavo.
Yeah,
Tsavo East. What's your name? For safari.
Student of which faculty?
I go to Boulder, University of Colorado, Boulder.
I go to University of Miami.
America.
I'm excited to be in Kenya. Such a beautiful country already.
Okay, finish with your names.
We are heading to Diani Beach.
And we're late.
And we're late. We're late.
For how long are you here? For how long are you here?
How old am I?
For how long? Yes.
6 days. 6 days. Okay, goodbye. Nice meeting you.
Bye.
Unamjua kupiga
Yeah. Hatutaki kupiga picha sisi.